Hello my magical beings, my name is Alfred Mystic, and in this video we're gonna talk about 5 signs that you have done your shadow work. Good girl, good boy, good... Who are you? Tell me, if you're an alien, you're very welcome here. Everyone is welcome. What is shadow work? Shadow is our beautiful part of us that we are not conscious about. Yeah, it's somewhere there. We need some sun to see it. Sun is about awareness, and we have to be aware, because some people, they reject the fact that our shadow exists, but also our shadow is about rejection, the aspects, and avoiding the aspects of our being. It's something we're so ashamed about. Don't repress it, acknowledge it. Transform it from the piss into juice. I have a video about how to transform the alchemy, how to transform your past into gold in my part 3 of Mystic's journal. Go and check the video. So yes, don't avoid yourself. Let's face ourselves. Our inner beautiful beings, they want you to be free, to liberate your potential, to speak your truth. So let's see if you have done your shadow work. If you didn't, evolution, let's go. We are ready. Life is about transformation. This is a huge process. So check your behavior, check your shadow, and I'm always here for you. Let's go. First sign is you are okay with different perceptions. Excuse me, inner judge. Excuse me, someone has a different opinion? So you have another philosophy? Because our inner judge, they want everything to be as they said. So it's about accepting the fact that I have my own system belief, they have their own, my neighbor has completely another one, and it's okay. And I'm gonna follow my judge, and we are in peace. Because when we're not, we are judging so bad that we're gonna fight now. We're gonna start a war. What do you mean you have another opinion? This is what I think. This is I was this way, because even when I was reading spiritual books, I always had my pen next to me, and I was like, no, this is not true, this is not, what do you teach people? Then I just realized, this is their experience, this is how they perceive the world, this is their perception of the world. Some ideas, yes, are very negative, low vibration, and we are here to present what we think about it. We have to talk, not fight. So if you are okay with the fact that everyone, almost 8 billion people on earth, have different ideas, have different perceptions, great. This is the evolution, because we can communicate, we can co-create, and this is how our DNA evolves. The unity of different ideas. Check, check. Second is also very connected to the judge, because you judge with the interest. Because we know nothing about their world, we know nothing about their judge, inner judge. I have my own, they're sitting in my mind, just checking if everything is around. Also, your inner judge, I'm changing the narrative, because your inner judge is here to keep your soul's intentions clear. He's not here to judge you. They just follow the rules that you gave them. A judge is having a book in your mind, like, yes, this is what you gave me, and yeah, excuse me, you don't follow the rule? Huh, I'm gonna punish you. So your judge is your best friend, one of the baddest bitches in your mind, because they check if you follow your own rules. Love them, have fun with them. So I know nothing about your judge. Why the fuck I'm gonna judge you? I have my own sitting here. We have our own goals, our own perceptions, and we're just going. We are focused, we have a direction. Thank you for just mentioning. If you don't agree with me, do your own thing. Thank you. And this is our third sign, that I don't give a about your behavior. I am not triggered by what you are doing, because this is what you do. This is your body. What they are doing is not what I'm supposed to do. Our water element loves to repeat. all the patterns, all the behaviors, all the actions, all the emotions, all the feelings that are happening around us. Your parents, your friends, anyone. We copy. It's just our nature, our water. But if I don't want to experience this, I'm not gonna repeat it. I'm gonna tell myself. It's also like being in a matrix. Some don't want to be there. When we are aware that, it's like copy paste, everything is the same, I'm out of it. And it's the biggest blessing when you understand that, excuse me, you do your thing, I'm gonna focus on my intentions. Fourth sign that you have done your shadow work is you see yourself in others. You are a walking mirror. You see the reflection in everyone around you. You find something similar, and this is how we connect. This is also how we find our tribe. How to find your tribe? Look for the places where people are doing the same things that you love. You love to draw? Go somewhere where people draw. You want to learn something, you want to study something? People are already doing it. Find them, connect with them, and you will see that, wow, this is so interesting because I see so many connections. You are really like a mirror. There's so many people who are really a representation of your identity, of your interest, of the skills, of the talents you have. We just have to find them. We have to find that mirror. And when we can reflect each other, we can heal each other. It's our creative energy, it's our sexual energy, it's the energy about water again when we see, because mirror is all about the seeing, it's about the visions. And when you start to liberate your potential, to speak your truth, you start to attract similar people. This is so crazy, because sometimes really I meet these people and I'm so surprised because how can you have the same idea? So you do the same thing and you have the same struggles and you completely understand what I say. Some people when they feel so lonely, like, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm so scared and I'm so ashamed to talk about it. Then, when you start to speak and they accept you as you are because they see you, and self-recognition, you see yourself in others. This is our fourth sign. And my favorite fifth sign is you allow your inner fool to have so much fun. Don't take life too seriously. This is your best advice from this video. Have fun. Everyone has an inner fool, inner trickster, inner joker. Give them any funny name if you want. And just have fun with them because they are always inspiring you because they have inner sparkle. How the Joker learns from all the mythology, from all the stories. Jokers are always changing, transforming the planet, transforming others' mind. Firstly, because they are not scared to make a first step, to do something that no one is doing, to make a joke. Maybe it will be funny, maybe it will destroy everything, but there is no evolution without destruction. And second is because they always have that inner guidance. Maybe you don't know where you are going, but that inner fool knows. And they will take a risk because inner sparkle, inner fire is always there. When you connect to your fire element, you feel it. Your body becomes warm. And you want to find that another piece that will fully charge you. We are here running around looking for the purpose, looking for a partner, for anything, for money, for a career, for joy, happiness, love, and our inner fool, joker, trickster, they will help you to find it. They will try anything, girl. I will do anything possible. I will try all the pathways just to find that thing. So if you allow yourself to not taking life too seriously, you're gonna go so far, you're gonna travel the world. You'll be like hippie, hitchhiking, because it's also very tricky, yeah? I was hitchhiking last year and it was so fun. Again, I was just going with the flow. Inner Fool is about going with the flow. Yes, we have to have a structure. This is when we ground, this is when we connect to the planet Earth. But don't hate your trickster. They are gonna evolve you, they're gonna transform you. They're gonna bring so much fun into your life. These are all 5 signs that you have done your shadow work. Do you have all of them? Check, 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 check. Inner judge, love them. Different ideas, different perceptions. Do your thing, girl. I have my own world. I have my own perception of this beautiful experience. No one's vibration will be the same, but we can see others as a mirror. We can find some ingredients, some details that will be very close to our experience, and that's how we connect. That's how we gather together, because together is together. Let them do what they are doing. Do your best in your craft. And also don't allow their war to affect your peace. In our peace, we're having so much fun, right? Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have done all these signs. If you're great, if you're feeling wonderful, or if you're feeling low at the moment, tell me. Everything is valid. Every low state and every high is so precious, because at the end, it will become your coin. It will become your gold. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends, with someone. Like, comment. I love you so much. I'm sending you all my flutes, all these beautiful colors. By the way, looking gorgeous today. I was sitting here enjoying the present moment. It took me hours for the first time, but I was just really appreciating the moment, being here and now. Our feminine side wants to take a moment and feel it. I love you so much. I'm sending you all my love. Mwah, I love you.